Welcome. This lesson explores the diverse range of entrepreneurial ventures available within the radio, television, and general electronics sector in Nigeria. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify key business opportunities and learn how to choose a path for your own professional growth. First, what is a business opportunity? It's a situation or a need in the market that can be turned into a profitable venture. In electronics, this means using your technical skills to solve problems for people. The field is much broader than just fixing radios and TVs. It covers everything from mobile phones and computers to modern power solutions like solar systems and security cameras. Now, let's explore the specific business opportunities available in Nigeria, a country with a high demand for electronic goods and services. One major area is sales and retail. You can sell new or used electronics or specialize in supplying spare parts, tools, and accessories to other repairers and hobbyists. Next is repair and maintenance. This is a highly sought-after service. You can specialize in general electronics like TVs and sound systems, or focus on high-demand areas like mobile phone, computer, or inverter and solar system repairs. Installation services are another lucrative field. This involves setting up equipment for customers, such as satellite TV, security cameras for homes and businesses, or complex solar power systems for reliable electricity. For those with advanced skills, there is small-scale manufacturing and assembly. This could involve assembling devices like inverters or power banks from imported parts, or even designing custom electronic solutions for specific client needs. Other key opportunities include consultancy, where you advise clients on the best tech solutions, and training, where you teach skills to others. E-waste management is also an emerging field focused on safely recycling discarded electronics to protect the environment. With so many options, how do you choose? Consider the market demand in your area. Who are your customers? Also, think about your own skills, interests, and the capital you have to start. The best business for you is one that aligns these factors. In summary, the field of radio, television, and electronic works offers vast opportunities for entrepreneurs in Nigeria. From sales and repairs to installation and training, you can leverage your technical skills to build a successful business, create jobs, and contribute to the economy.